My name is Manpreet Singh. PlanetEco is official dealer of Jotun paints. We have all decorative paints and washable paint. Also have outside exterior paint, color design. We have all product in Jotun paints and promotion also.
السلام عليكم. أبو الحجاج محمد جحفر، شركة بلينت إيكو. جميع أمواد البناء عندنا جوتن، جميع أنواع الديكورات موجودة عندنا هنا، من الزيتي والمائي، جميع أنواع المواد البناء من الجوتن. وعندنا برضو جميع الألوان موجودة عندنا، نفس الألوان، نفس جميع الألوان برضو جوتن. بلينت إيكو جميع الأنواع برضو هنا برضو جميع الألوان عندك برضو هنا برضو عندنا هنا برضو داخل بلينت إيكو جميع الألوان برضو موجودة عندنا هنا برضو داخل المنزل وخارج المنزل من جميع الأنواع، من جميع أنواع الجوتن. برضو عندنا الماشين كمبيوتر، جميع ترتيب الألوان برضو موجود عندنا في شركة بلينت إيكو.
Hello, I'm Jennifer. I'm working as a sales executive here in PlanetEco Building Materials. And these are our products. This is textured MDF. We have different colors. And we have also commercial MDF. And we have also marine. And we have also commercial MDF, which is moisture resistant. Veneer MDF. And those are melamine. And we have also white MDF. And HMR, which is white. And we have also textured. And we have high gloss MDF. All of these are high gloss. You can use this for cabinet, for wardrobe, for tables. And those are for wall. This is PVC. This is the new type of PVC cladding now for wall. And we have also this type of cladding, which is in square type. This is made in India. And this is more heat resistant. And we have the normal one, which is PVC only. And here we are in the flooring section, which is MDF, medium density fiber. And these are the waterproof, which is PVC. And here we are in the doors section. We have this type of door, which is PVC coated. We have also folding door, which is PVC. This is waterproof. And we have also this type of door, which is solid door. This type of door, this is solid. Another type of door, red marine teak. This type of door. This one, this is how it looks. This is the PVC door coated. This is usually they use as partition door. It's complete set. And we have the other type of door, which is solid. Thank you. We have decorative panels also, and this is made in USA. And you can use this as a wall, inside and outside you can use. This is waterproof. And we have also these materials, which is PVC. This is used for ceiling. And this is made in Poland. This is very good quality and affordable price as well.
I'm Rudy Di Piesta, working here at PlanetEco Building Materials. Now we will show you what is our product range regarding kitchen and bathroom. Here in our sanitary section, you can see this is our chimney hood. It comes in two sizes. And same range of this one, this is our cooker hood, which replaced for this one. And we're having also the sink mixer. This one also that shower set, shower mixer, and also the basin mixer. This is usually coming from India and Italy. And our setup, this one, kitchen sink. We're having double bowl. We're having 2.5 bowl with drain, and also single bowl. This is Tramontina, that is from Brazil, and this is Tika from Spain. We're selling also all these accessories for the bathroom, towel rack, glass soap rack. And also we're selling this mirror. This is bathroom cabinet complete set. It comes with mirror. And then we're having also this one. This is a wash basin. We're having different types of wash basin. And also WC. We call it the water closet. And this wash basin also for corner. You can find it at affordable price. We're selling also these different types of all accessories for the bathroom. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Dasnim from PlanetEco Building Material, Khubaisi branch. We have Terraco brand products. We have waterproofing. We have for concrete repair products. We have special tile glue. You can use for swimming pool and everything, everywhere. We have special tile glues. And then we have exterior stucco, handy coat, gypsum joint compound, wide range of Terraco product. Come and visit us.